Okay guys, do you have 500 followers yet? If not, I'm not sure what you're waiting for. In my last video, I showed you exactly how to get 500 followers to your Parler account. Now, if you didn't see the previous video, I will put a link in the description on YouTube. And if you're watching this on Parler, check my profile and there's a link to the video. So now here, let me go through an update for you guys. So let's take a look at, this is my Parler page and I haven't updated it. So I've been doing a lot of the techniques that I show you in the video on my mobile device. This is a web page in my browser on my computer. So I left it at 1,000 followers and I'm going to refresh in real time right now. So if you watch my cursor, we're going to go up, refresh, and here we go. Now we're at 1,500 followers using the technique that I showed you in the previous video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to recap for you. I'm going to log into my phone right now. I'm going to go through the steps and show you exactly how you can grow your Parler account really quickly. And it's a great time to take advantage of this technique and build your page, and hopefully your voice will be heard and you can get more echoes and you can get more upvotes and you can get more followers. So let me log into my device and let's jump right into it. All right guys, logged into my phone, let's do this. The first thing you want to do is you want to find a page that has a lot of followers and produces a lot of posts. So let's just do a quick search and I'll walk you through this. I'm going to do a search for Trump since that is one of the biggest things people are trying to search for. And let's go to Team Trump. Now if you take a look at their page, they have 2.2 million followers, and if you see my cursor, it should be, I'll circle that for you. And you'll see that they have a lot of posts. Let me scroll up. Take a look at this post here. This post here was done 58 minutes ago. You can see where my cursor is. And then you'll notice that they have 2.4 thousand, so 2,400 comments. Okay, so here's the fun thing, and here's what you need to do to build more followers. Click on the show conversation, and that's going to show you all of the comments. Now look, you have the ability to upvote each one of these, and if you look where my cursor is, that's your upvote. So what you want to do is any comment that you like, upvote. Every time you upvote, it's going to send a notification to that user. And that notification will also include a link or a button to follow you. And that's the genius of Parler. This is what gives you the ability to grow your account super fast. So let me show you in real time how we can gain some followers. I'm going to do this for a few minutes, and what we're going to do is just upvote comments that we like, okay? So notice this is how we do it. Now I'm going to do this for a few minutes. I'm going to pause the video, but you see I'm just going to continue on doing this. And when we come back, we're going to refresh my page in real time, and I'm going to show you the results of what's happening. As we're going through this, I also wanted to mention when you get to the end of the expansion of the comments, you're going to see this, show more. That's you want to click that, okay? Don't go to the next post. Click that to expand the comments, because if you miss that little link there, you're going to go into a new post, and you don't want to do that. Stick within the same post and comment or upvote each comment within the first post, okay? So I will click show more. It'll expand, and now we have more comments that we can look at. All right, see you guys in about 4 minutes. Okay guys, if you look at the time at the very top, it says 6:45 p.m. It's been about 5 minutes. Let's see how well we did, and that's what's going on here. So I'm going to click back, get home, and actually my notifications, if you click at the very bottom, okay, and you want to, at the very top, you can scroll left and right, in case you didn't know that. Click the followed, and that's going to show you everybody who has followed you. And what I'm going to do is I'm just go ahead and refresh that. So now take a look here. Somebody just followed me 22 seconds ago, 37 seconds ago, 2 minutes ago. Now if we give this some time, we can keep updating, and we're going to get more and more followers as the next few minutes passes by. I'm going to pause the video and let's see what happens. So yeah, take a look. It just got another one. We're at 6 seconds, 9 seconds, 47 seconds. You've already seen that. And that's the way, or a great way for you to build your follower count. So I'm going to show you a way to get followers while you are sleeping. Can you imagine that? Get followers. You go to bed, you wake up, you have 500 new followers. I have something special coming out, and I need you to subscribe to the video, follow me on Parler, and in one of my upcoming videos, I'm going to show you how to get followers while you're sleeping. So stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.